Hello, today I'd like to share with you a knife sheath that I just made, and I had to kind of start from scratch, and I think you'll really get a kick out of the way this is made. And it's got the loop for the belt that goes through a 1-inch slot, and I just kind of designed this pattern off of a picture I had. And it's made for a 944 Henckels Outdoor Knife. It is just a beautiful knife. It's got some age on it. The stag is really beautiful and aged. A really slick knife. And I was commissioned to make a knife sheath for it. I've got to punch the hole in the slot here for the Sam Brown type button here. But that's what I've got right there, and I put a number 14 copper rivet on each side at the top, and it does have a filler in it, or spacer. I'll give you a close-up shot of the knife and the sheath and the pattern here. This is basically just to give you an idea. I just took some wrapping paper that came around my leather roll when I get it, and it doesn't really hurt anything to just do some experimenting. Also, I came in here and made little punch marks where I could make my spacer. So everything's right here on this pattern. Kind of had to work out a few details. I just really like what I've got so far. It did take a little time to do this, but just like to encourage you to stick with it, and you can make your own knife sheaths and patterns. Anyway, I'll give you a close-up shot here. Here's what I've got so far. Well, all I actually like is punching the hole in a slot right here, and it will end up something like this. Kind of mimic this particular pattern right here, and it's for this J.A. Henckels Outdoor Knife. As you can tell, this box has got some age on it. This knife is simply beautiful. I just love the look and feel of that. And anyway, I'll show you how it fits in here. I kind of countersunk the screw on this backside so it wouldn't rub the knife. That is just really unique. I've never seen that done, actually. That's a good idea. I'll probably do that some more on different knife sheaths. Here's my pattern. I just kind of worked it out till just kept sketching till I got it the way I wanted it. And then I fixed my spacer right here, and it's all right here. So all I have to do is set this over the leather and just mark out the outside, and then come back and put some little marks here, and then cut out my spacer. So appreciate you watching this, and I'll talk to you next time.